Ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy DSEL Meghalaya rengkat ke jingit relang bat ka Aga Khan Academy Hyderabad. Kala perlong yang program itu ikisap lani ka Talent Identification Program. Haga senam mang tengka arhajar arpuar arhajar arpulai bat ka senam bisa tengka arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan. Kani program gajiat ikisangut ke Khynnah na gejela ban ai ki scholarship berpura ke bagian tup ikijing kuliah barok na dok kelas 6 atau kelas 12. Haga jengai jengkai ke bankot sya ke shiklor tengka na ke benta wep Khynnah School Balas Ajian. Haga sen ke benengkong ke Aga Khan Academy Hyderabad haga senam arhajar arpuar arpulai. Kelajit asangut samla kuliah na gejela Meghalaya bat haga senam bisa arhajar arpusau arhajar arpusan kelajit sasangut kisamla kuliah bat ai scholarship liki. Bat barok ke Balas Ajian na gejela mentai ke lapoi sya ke perangut. Halor ka rukam terekam jong ke program TID. Yaki tes ben itu ya kasap la penlong hakilai benta. Haka kerdan skol ke wei pokoi ke skol kala jiet ya iwe Khynnah ibat tebit aku pulih putih na ke kelas 6. Ya ke jengpit beniak benengkong la penlong ke office jong ke DSEL. Daga bapendon kam ya ke rensan bisyar beniak jong ke Meghalaya Learning Enhancement Network System. Mentah kesenam kidan lais pak sanpu perangut kesamla pulia kiblami ban le ke assessment. Haga ba ars pak kandangut kila syajiat bala IT syaka Aga Khan Academy. Ki perangut ki Khynnah School gejela kibla syajiat akan kejaka hikai ka Aga Khan Academy kilong jong kesenam arhajar arpusau arpusan ki bekentup na ke Jowai Government Public School Wan Monwar na ke Shillong Public School UI Prangdame Ji Pariat na Nongston Sip Sing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School John Kennedy Puwen ban Shillong Public School Rangkansai J Tariang. Haga senam arhajar arpuar arpulai na Nongston kata na St Saviour's Secondary School Bante Bok Marwen na Nongston Maurang Upper Primary School Kenkor Merthong na Nongston St Peter's High Secondary School Jefferson Paryong na Shillong kata ka Dr. Radhakrishnan Boys Secondary School Anubhav Day.
Nasno shifting work income ba have lat ba don ki tutors ki ba yala me ha sai ki ba ko ki school ba shi ko ba dang to ka ki school ro ki long ki ba that's why ki long smart na ka tam ki ding ki se ki marazo ki don ki peacock ki snakes bunjai
इसको हम लोग एजुकेशन थे एक एजुकेशन अपन कम्युनिकेशन ये बच्चे
jinkai chati kalau ba kushani ba ka curriculum ro kane ka ID te chane de CBSE AA ba atai de atai ngimju bule by heart hai mo but chatai ki ai ki notes ki work ki homework bangin la class ki use ro ki laptops ki projector ban pin project ini ki topics ki ba ki kai but shane ki I notes ini but ni shipule but ni letter kalau ke bakal ba mesti ki I ki question ba na baru seperti tidak boleh tahu question IB mo ta bisa top kat kong ka juni
One of the beauty of running a boarding school is to ensure that children are cared for and loved. You see, post-COVID, one of the larger challenges that schools faced was mental well-being. We need to ensure that the children who are at the academy are fully supported. So when they come into our school, especially all the students who join the residential program like the 8 here, you come into a dorm which is specifically for children between grade 6 and grade 8. It's called Charminar, right boys? Yeah, it's called Charminar. So when they come there, they're allocated buddies. They are people within the structure who have been doing this for so many years that they almost become like relatives or dorm parents to these children. You see, I was joking with him also. When you see those old Hindi films, and you see people going into these hostels, you have all these strict wardens, who make life hell for you. Far from that. It's a very welcoming environment. It's a very happy environment, and the children are taught to be responsible, but at the same time they're very well cared for. So dorm parents are responsible for the well-being, for the fact that they have to adjust and settle. It's a fully well-functioned program that we run. And these children, later you can ask them also, they'll tell you about how they've adjusted and how life in school has been for them. Talking about it. You see, you have schools where you have thousands of children studying, right? Here you have 100 acres with 730 children. A classroom never exceeds more than 25 children. So you are actually engaging with children one-on-one on such a regular basis that concept of backbencher is almost gone. Because the way the classroom is set up is the teachers engaging with them all around. And you can do that only in small classes where the ratio is very, very small. So it's almost unthinkable the ratio that we work with.
So Aga Khan Academy is in Hyderabad, and this is the second batch which they have done the selection for. So in the first batch also 4 students from Meghalaya were selected after a very thorough and very detailed process of assessment. There were tests, there were interviews, and there various qualifications were seen. And after that, 4 students were selected, and they went to join class 6 in Aga Khan Academy in Hyderabad. It's an IB school. It's one of the most prestigious school in our country, and it has the best facilities which any school can offer. So after that, now we have revived again. We have one more batch, and they came again. Very thankful to Aga Khan Academy. I'm very thankful to Mr. Arjun Puri, who they came back again. They have, in fact, they have gone to various districts, and then they have done the assessments. And finally, again, we have selected 4 students who will be going tomorrow to Hyderabad for the first time, and they'll be joining the Aga Khan Academy. So now the idea of this is that this is this is like a scholarship, if you may say, that everything is covered. But what I want to say is that in the first batch also many are from Nongstoin.
Yes.
Many are from Nongstoin, and they're coming from very remote areas. And then getting the opportunity to go to Hyderabad, study in Aga Khan Academy is an amazing thing. And already I can see the transformation which they are having in terms of the confidence, the skills they are acquiring. So we are very happy that we did another iteration, and then again next year also we'll be having
we'll be
4. They'll be back, and 4 more students will get this wonderful opportunity. And I'm very keen to, if we can, we'll also discuss with the state government how we can maybe continue this in the future. So if that happens, we'll again brief you later. So that is the whole gist of this program. We from Department of Education and State Project Director Office, we have been coordinating and assisting them to do the assessments so that they can go to the district. They can, whatever support they require logistically, that has been given from the Office of SPD, and will continue to do that. And in fact, we also plan a visit from the state government, including Chief Secretary. Will go there and see what all different interventions are there and how they are performing so well.